When filing a travel insurance claim, it's crucial to gather all necessary documentation to support your claim. This includes your travel insurance policy, which outlines the terms and conditions of your coverage. Proof of loss, such as a police report or doctor's note, is also essential. Additionally, receipts for expenses incurred as a result of the incident, such as medical bills or hotel accommodations, should be included. Once you have gathered the necessary documentation, you should contact your insurance provider and report the claim promptly. Most insurance policies have a time limit for filing claims, so it's important to act quickly. When reporting the claim, be sure to provide all relevant information, including the date and location of the incident, a description of what happened, and the amount you are claiming. When providing a detailed account of the incident to your insurance provider, be sure to include the following information: the dates and times of the incident, a description of the circumstances that led to the loss, and any other relevant details. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for the insurance company to assess your claim. For example, if you are filing a claim for a lost suitcase, provide the airline, flight number, and date of the flight. If you are filing a claim for a medical emergency, provide the name of the hospital, doctor, and the dates of treatment. In addition to providing a detailed account of the incident, you will also need to submit supporting documentation to substantiate your claim. This may include receipts for expenses incurred as a result of the incident, such as medical bills, hotel accommodations, or transportation costs. You may also need to provide a police report if the incident was a result of a crime. The more documentation you can provide, the stronger your claim will be. Once you have submitted your claim, it's important to follow up with the insurance company regularly to check on the status. You can do this by calling the claims department or logging into your online account. If your claim is taking longer than expected to process, don't hesitate to reach out to the insurance company and inquire about the delay. By following up regularly, you can help ensure that your claim is processed promptly and that you receive the benefits you are entitled to. Before filing a travel insurance claim, it's important to understand your rights and obligations under the insurance policy. This includes knowing what is covered under the policy, what the exclusions are, and what your responsibilities are as the policyholder. By understanding your rights and obligations, you can ensure that you are filing a valid claim and that you are taking the necessary steps to maximize your benefits.